what if I told you the AI race just went into hyperdrive? Development that once took years now takes months.
So the models are just getting a little faster?
Not just faster, Alex. The game has completely changed. We're now in an AI Cold War, where your choice of AI is a political statement. An automation flood is set to hit in 2026, and it will change everything about how we work. The question is, are you ready?
Okay, Dad, that was intense. What do you mean the AI race went into hyperdrive?
It's the most important shift happening right now, Alex. Think about it. XAI was expected to release an incremental update. Instead, they just skipped it entirely and jumped straight to Grok-4. That move is a symptom of a huge acceleration across the entire industry.
How is that even possible? How are they all moving so fast?
It's a powerful feedback loop I call the iteration flywheel. It works like this. Companies deploy their new models into products with billions of users. Every time we use it, we're feeding it massive amounts of real-world data. That data is used to train the next version of the model far more efficiently.
So our own usage is what's making the AI better, faster.
Exactly. And it's created a hyper-competitive landscape with a few key contenders, each with a very different strategy.
So who are the main players in this new race?
In 2025, the frontier is being pushed by four major forces. First, you have XAI's Grok-4. It's positioned as a PhD level model, built for incredibly complex reasoning and coding. It's also designed to understand nuance, culture, even memes.
A meme analyzing AI. Okay. What about Google?
Google's Gemini 2.5 is all about scale. Its defining feature is a massive 1 million token context window. It can process and remember entire code bases. Its killer app is deep research, where it can browse hundreds of websites to write comprehensive reports on its own. It even has a new feature that can generate a video from a single photo.
And OpenAI is still in the game, I assume.
Absolutely. OpenAI's GPT-4o is focused on one thing: seamless human interaction. It's incredibly fast, allowing for natural, real-time conversations, where it can even perceive your tone of voice. It's all about making AI feel intuitive and omnipresent.
And you mentioned a fourth one?
A powerful new challenger from China called DeepSeek. Their strategy is different. They've created an open weight model that rivals the others, especially in coding, but at a fraction of the cost. They are the budget-friendly disruptor. So you see, it's not about who is smartest anymore. It's a battle of specialized strengths.
Okay, so they have different technical strengths. But you said this was a Cold War. That sounds like more than just technology.
That's the most profound change, Alex. The competition is no longer just technical. It's now ideological and geopolitical.
What do you mean?
Take Grok. Research shows that when you ask it about controversial topics, its code literally searches for Elon Musk's views on X before it answers. It's designed to be a provocateur AI, unfiltered, politically incorrect, and aligned with its founder's worldview.
Wow. So it's not neutral.
Far from it. Then you have the geopolitical AI like DeepSeek. It's a powerful tool, but Western security agencies are warning that Chinese national security laws could force the company to hand over user data. For any business dealing with sensitive information, using it is a massive geopolitical risk.
So who is the safe choice?
That's the position OpenAI is trying to own. They're making a huge public push on security, even hiring a retired US Army general for their board. They're positioning themselves as the establishment AI, the secure Western-aligned choice for big, risk-averse corporations. So the market is splitting into three camps. The question is no longer just which AI is smartest, It's which AI's worldview do you trust?
This all feels very high level. How does this AI Cold War actually affect regular people and small businesses?
It's about to affect them in a huge way, thanks to two key drivers. First, the cost of using these powerful AIs is plummeting.
So intelligence is becoming a commodity.
Exactly. And second, new platforms called API aggregators are making it incredibly easy to use them. They act like a universal remote for AI.
Lower cost and less complexity.
Sets the stage for what I call the automation flood of 2026. It won't be a few big apps. It's going to be a Cambrian explosion of thousands of small, hyper-specialized tools. Think of a logistics app that automatically reroutes shipments around bad weather. A legal tool that instantly finds risky clauses in a contract. Or even a mental health bot that delivers therapy for a specific condition. The power to build these tools is being democratized.
Okay, Dad. I see what AI can do now. With my degree in biomedical engineering, am I going to be obsolete by the time I graduate in 2026? Are they just going to stop hiring people?
That's the billion-dollar question, Alex. The mass unemployment story is too simple. The reality is more of a mix. Some jobs will be displaced, but far more will be augmented, and a whole new wave of jobs will be created.
That's the part that scares me. The displacement.
I know, but it's not the whole picture. Most jobs won't disappear, they'll be transformed. This is augmentation. AI becomes a powerful co-pilot. It handles the mountains of data, freeing up the human expert to do what they do best. Solve the complex problems and connect with people.
So you work with it. Okay, but what about the new jobs, the creation part?
And this is where it gets exciting. The AI revolution is a massive engine for creation. We're seeing a boom in roles that were science fiction a decade ago. Entirely new career paths are being born. AI ethicists, prompt engineers, machine learning specialists, AI human interaction designers. Your future isn't about being replaced. It's about deciding which new path you want to help build.
So, to prepare for 2026, what's the most important skill I need to learn? Do I need to become a coder?
That's the biggest misconception. For most people, the most critical skills for the future are not technical. As AI automates routine tasks, the real value shifts to the skills that are uniquely human.
Like what?
Critical thinking, the ability to look at an AI's answer and know when it's wrong. Creativity and the ability to ask a new question. Social and emotional intelligence, empathy, communication, leadership, and most of all, adaptability and a commitment to lifelong learning.
So it's about leaning into what makes us human.
Precisely. It all converges into a new essential role for every professional. I call it the AI Orchestrator. This isn't a specific job title, it's a way of working. The AI Orchestrator is the domain expert who uses their human judgment to conduct a whole suite of AI tools. They don't do the tedious work anymore. They define the problem, prompt the AI workflows, critically evaluate the results, and make the final context-aware decision.
So the future isn't about humans versus machines.
It's about humans conducting machines. The most valuable professionals of 2026 will be the best conductors of this new, powerful AI orchestra.